Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from forex.com. So in order to withdraw money from forex trading account, you'll have to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, log in into your trading account. Due to the security concern, the screen is unavailable. And what you can do is just follow the instructions. So first of all, when you are logged into your trading account, locate the withdrawal session. That must be located right at the bottom. And you also need to verify your identity if you're doing it for the first time. Then you'll need to select your withdrawal method, how you actually want to proceed on, and review and confirm the withdrawal. Then enter in the exact amount that you're withdrawing, enter in the destination where you actually withdrawing, and review and confirm the withdrawal request. After that, monitor the withdrawal process, and within no time you'll receive the funds. So in that way you can withdraw money from forex.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.